Monero, XMR, price prediction for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. Welcome to our channel, and please subscribe if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. Disclaimer: the views expressed here are solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as investment advice. You should always conduct research before making any decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. 300 investment in Monero in January of 2015 would have given you over 1,000 coins of Monero coins. The value of 1,000 coins of Monero as of the time of creating this video is over $182,000. That is a very huge profit from such investment. In this video, we predicted the value of Monero in 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Will Monero make you profits if you decide to invest in this coin? Monero, XMR, price prediction, 2022 to 2030. Monero price prediction for 2022. According to technical analysis and Monero forecast, the price of the Monero coin is expected to rise in 2022, continuing the same bullish trend. Though it is too early to tell if XMR will break through the peak, one thing is certain. There is light at the end of the tunnel. By the end of 2022, one Monero coin will be worth between $235 and $270. Price prediction for Monero in 2023. Monero has deviated from its normal path every couple of years, according to a study of shorter and longer price trends. As a result, Monero will almost certainly reach $340 by the year's end. Monero price prediction for 2024. Despite the fact that a jaw-dropping possibility does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, Monero is expected to reach $480 by the end of 2024. This is consistent with forecasts made at the end of 2021, indicating that the price of XMR has the potential to not only sustain but also grow even in adverse conditions. Monero price prediction for 2025. This year, according to technical analysis, could be a watershed moment for the Monero price, which is expected to surpass $650 in all likelihood. This year, no critical factors such as pandemics or recessions are expected to shake global economies, and the majority of the damage is expected to be repaired globally. Price prediction for Monero in 2030. Last year was a watershed moment not only for Monero, XMR, but for the vast majority of currencies, including cryptocurrencies and fiat. The price of XMR has continued to rise. The price of Monero in 2030 could be around $2,800. Consider sharing, liking, subscribing, and commenting in the section below.